In this eye-opening training, we delve into the secret to building wealth through freelancing and the gig economy. We'll explore the opportunities and strategies to succeed in the modern workforce. From identifying high-demand skills to creating a profitable online presence, we'll cover it all. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or build a full-time business, this video will provide you with the insights and tools you need to thrive in the gig economy. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial future and build real wealth, watch until the end. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more informative content. Hello, and welcome to the Confident Wealth Solution, where we deliver proven strategies that help you confidently create, expand, and manage your wealth. My name is Karen Kitt. I'm a retired teacher with over 13 years of experience in the financial services industry. Today, I'm going to break down my top strategies for making real money through freelancing in 2025 and beyond that you need to know so that you can plan for your future with confidence. The way we work is changing. Gone are the days of traditional 9-to-5 jobs, and in comes the rise of freelancing and the gig economy. With more and more people turning to freelance work as a way to earn a living, it's clear that this trend is here to stay. And the best part? Freelancing offers a level of flexibility and autonomy that traditional jobs simply can't match. So, what's driving this shift towards freelancing? For one, it's the potential for income generation. Freelancing allows individuals to monetize their skills and expertise in a way that's both lucrative and fulfilling. And with the rise of platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, it's never been easier to find clients and get started. As we move further into the digital age, it's clear that freelancing is going to play an increasingly important role in the job market. So, whether you're looking to supplement your income, pursue your passion, or simply have more control over your work, freelancing is definitely worth considering. So, how do you actually get started with freelancing? The first step is to identify your skills and strengths. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? Make a list of all your skills and areas of expertise. This will help you focus on the type of projects and clients you want to work with. Having the right skills and knowledge is essential. Whether you're a writer, designer, or developer, you'll need to have a solid understanding of your craft in order to deliver high-quality work to clients. And while experience is always a plus, it's not necessarily a requirement. Many freelancers start out with little or no experience and build their skills as they go. In addition to technical skills, it's also important to have strong communication and time management skills. When working with clients, make sure to clearly outline the scope of the project, the timeline, and the payment terms. This will help meet deadlines, deliver high-quality work, avoid any misunderstandings, ensure a smooth workflow, and of course, maintain a healthy work-life balance. And while it may seem daunting at first, trust me, it's worth it. If you're going to build wealth with freelancing and the gig economy, having the right tools and resources is key. First and foremost, you'll need a reliable computer and internet connection. This will be your lifeline to clients, projects, and ultimately your income. Clients are the lifeblood of every business. If you don't have clients lined up through referral or your personal network, you'll also need to sign up for and create a profile on popular freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. This will serve as your digital resume and will be the first impression that potential clients have of you. Make sure to include a professional photo, a detailed description of your services, and any relevant experience or qualifications you may have. Once you have your profile set up, It's time to start looking for clients. This can be done through the platform's job search feature or by reaching out to clients directly. When applying for jobs, make sure to tailor your proposal to the specific project and highlight your relevant skills and experience. And when it comes to setting your rates, it's important to do some research and find out what other freelancers in your industry are charging. You'll also need to consider the level of experience, the complexity of the project, and the time frame for completion. As you start to land clients and complete projects, it's essential to build a portfolio of your work to stand out in the competitive freelance market. This will serve as a showcase of your skills and expertise and will help you attract new clients and projects. Always remember that finding clients is an ongoing process, so it's essential to be proactive in your search. This can involve reaching out to potential clients, attending networking events, or even investing in online advertising. Building wealth through freelancing and the gig economy requires a combination of the right skills, tools, and mindset. By identifying your strengths, creating a strong profile, finding clients, and delivering high quality work, you can start seeing real results and build a lucrative freelance business. Freelancing is all about taking control of your work and your life. It's about pursuing your passion, working on your own terms, and achieving financial freedom. If you're ready to take freelance business to the next level, I encourage you to check out my future videos on maximizing your freelance income. And don't forget to share your own experiences with freelancing in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your journey and offer any advice or support I can. Thank you for watching.